Sound is all around us, from the music we enjoy to the voices of our loved ones. But have you ever wondered what sound actually is? At its core, sound is a mechanical wave that travels through matter, whether air, water, or solid objects, by compressing and expanding molecules. When an object vibrates, it creates areas of high and low pressure in the surrounding air, forming longitudinal waves that travel at approximately 343 meters per second. Musical instruments demonstrate this perfectly. When a guitar string is plucked, it vibrates rapidly, disturbing the air around it and creating the beautiful tones we hear. When these waves reach our ears, they're transformed into neural signals that our brain interprets as sound, allowing us to distinguish between different pitches, volumes, and timbres. The frequency of these waves determines the pitch we perceive. Low-frequency waves produce deep bass tones, while high-frequency waves create treble sounds. Our environment is filled with countless overlapping sound waves, yet our remarkable auditory system can focus on specific sounds, like following a conversation in a noisy restaurant. Sound waves also exhibit the Doppler effect. When a source moves toward you, waves compress to create a higher pitch, and as it moves away, waves stretch to create a lower pitch. Modern technology allows us to visualize sound waves in fascinating ways, helping scientists, engineers, and medical professionals better understand and manipulate this invisible yet powerful phenomenon. By understanding the physics of sound, we've developed technologies to control it, from noise-canceling headphones that produce opposing wave patterns to concert halls designed for perfect acoustic resonance.